Apologies for the fuck up.
Welcome to the Almighty TIG TV. Once again, thanks very much for not... No, see, I'm completely lost it now. It's been a long day. Corpse. Okay. Right. Once again, thanks for... Oh, I can't do this. What the fuck? Right, we'll start again.
Yeah, working with amateurs. Go on.
Yeah, absolutely. It is, how you English say, sheet.
Good.
Oh, yes. Shut up my piano the other day. Sorry.
Oh, what I have to work with.
Can't get the staff.
Peter Shaw.
Why is that funny man staring at us?
Look, I don't know, Derek. I don't know, okay? Look, we're on air in a few moments.
Right? I think he fancies you, Chris.
No,
I
he
think you've pulled again.
No, he doesn't. He does not fancy
It's
me.
the second guy that's pulled you. He keeps saying he gets lots of chicks, but actually he gets lots of dirty old men.
Oh, Janice, what horrible fucking sight. Oh, dear. Right. Yeah.
What was it you said earlier? Looking at this, I would say that your horse is very ill indeed.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, you can tell it's been a long, hard day.
Something's been long and hard anyway.
I thought it was you, darling.
Well, come sit with me. It's always me, isn't it? He's too busy looking at goats.
Yeah. Now, can you...
Oh, yes. Sit right this
No,
way.
no, I'll go this way.
Oh, okay.
Are we starting now, chaps,
Yep.
or are you going to continue dancing?
May I say that I was brilliant in that, and Barry was adequate.
Yeah, whatever you say. Yeah, thanks, Teghan. Yeah, right.
Bye, British people. Except the white ones.
Thanks.
Of course, the greedy bastard never bought us any.
No. Where's our magic mushrooms?
Yeah.
Very nice. The earth is about to get a view of my arse.
Yeah.
There you go. In all its glory.
Oh, yes. Now, last night, what we did when we went to...
Just keep to the sermon. No.
The drink and the food's getting to us.
Yes. And again.
Happy birthday to you.
Pheromones.
Take ducks.
Yeah. And take ducks off the table.
Oh, can't have a script on the table. I'd be so unprofessional, that would.
Hello, senor. It's my cheat sheet. Your cheat
Your big sheet or your cheat sheet?
sheet. The big sheet.
Look, my dinner's getting cold. Get on with it.
I'm going to start tapping.
Right.
Okay.
No, Alan's the director. You can tell that by looking at him.
Got that air of authority.
Yeah.
It's on bold and butch.
Yeah, you wait till I say go.
Right. Hollywood ponks.
He's masterful. Masterful.
I thought you were going to say master something, weren't I?
Okay.
Right, are you ready?
Yes.
Go. I've lost a place on the script because you've got it the wrong way.
Yeah. My fuck up.
Yeah.
We read the other way around. Okay?
Cheers.
Sorry. Oh, that's
Yes,
on moving.
to go back there.
That's right. Arabic, English, right?
It's catching, isn't it?
Do you want to put? You've done it again. It's my disease.
He noticed.
It's spread like a fucking disease.
He
It's
noticed.
like,
He noticed. It's
Yeah.
fine. Can you read?
so it's.
If I still do the Arabic,
You're still doing the Arabic, yes.
Right.
I'm glad to see it's easily done.
It's you because you put the...
It's because I fucked it up, yes.
And you put one script over the other.
Shit.
Finally got there.
We did it.
There. Perfect.